Reports reaching Open Television Niger have it that property worth millions of naira have been destroyed in an early Sunday morning fire incident that occurred at the international headquarters of Christ Embassy Church, Oregon, Lagos. Worshippers and sympathizers could be seen loitering around the church building in videos uploaded by netizens online. Open Television Niger recalls that the same church building had previously caught fire on May 18, 2014. The president and founder of Loveworld Incorporated, better known as Christ Embassy, Pastor Chris Oyakhilome, has said the fire incident at the church's headquarters was not an accident but an avenue for bigger and better things.